Welcome to our project, DocGen Engine, a complete Python-based tool designed to generate documents automatically from scratch. DocGen Engine is a desktop application that creates documents using data from Excel files and a predefined Word template. The entire system is developed in Python. We built it using tkinter for the interface, docs template for Word file handling, and pandas for processing Excel data. The application also supports personalized DOCX and PDF file naming through a flexible model design. Let's walk through how to use this tool. The first step is to clone the repository into your system. You can explore all the files directly in the GitHub repo. Simply run git clone followed by the repository URL. After cloning, run the app.py file. Once you install the required dependencies and launch app.py, the application interface will open. Now let's understand how the application works. This is the core functionality of the tool. Imagine you need to generate certificates for a large number of people. Doing this manually takes time and effort. So we created a Word file that acts as a certificate template. In real scenarios, creating certificates one by one becomes tedious. This tool automates the entire workflow. Inside the Word template, we've added placeholders. These will be replaced with real data from Excel. For this demo, we've prepared an Excel file with a column labeled Name, containing all the participant names. We start by importing the Word template into the application. The template file here is named Certificate. Next, we import the Excel file containing the names and click Scan Placeholders. The tool scans the Word document and detects every placeholder. After selecting the appropriate Excel column, here the Name column, we can preview the output before generating it. When we click Generate, the application begins creating both DOCX and PDF files automatically. A success report is displayed after the generation is completed. We've also added a feature called Generate Excel Summary Report, which creates a summary listing all generated file names mapped with their corresponding Excel data. Now let's check the output folder to view the generated documents. Here you can see the results. This is our original Word template. And using the tool, we have generated multiple certificates instantly. The tool creates a dedicated folder and generates all certificate files using the names from the Excel sheet. Every name listed in the Excel file has its own corresponding certificate generated automatically. A separate folder is also created for the generated PDF files. We can open any file to verify the output. Here you can see the certificate correctly generated with the person's name. This project demonstrates how certificate generation can be fully automated.